The 2009 January Regents Math A exam, question number 26. In the accompanying diagram of a right triangle ABC, BC equals 12 and the measure of angle C equals 40 degrees. Then it asks which single function could be used to find AB. So we're looking for the length of AB. We're looking for this length right here. And so we'll call that length x. And if you're familiar with trigonometry, you would say, okay, cool. We have 40 degrees, we have opposite 40 degrees, and we have the side BC here, which is adjacent to 40 degrees. So opposite and adjacent, that's tangent. So tangent of 40 degrees would be what we would use. But tangent of 40 degrees is not here. Okay, we have tangent 50, sine 50, cosine 40, sine 40. But that's not what we're looking for. We need tangent of 40. So what we do in this situation is we say, okay, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. That's 90 degrees. This is 40 degrees. So that means this angle up here must be 50 degrees. Right? Because 40 plus 50 is 90. 90 plus 90 is 180, and that's what we need for a triangle. So now we have 50 degrees, something opposite of 50, the 12, and then something adjacent to 50. That's the x. So again, we have tangent. Only thing this time it's going to be tangent of 50. And so that's the answer that we're looking for. The next problem is number 27. It's one of those word problems. When 5 is divided by a number, the result is 3 more than 7 divided by twice the number. What is this number? Okay, now remember from the last problem we did like this, in a word problem where they're asking you to find, this mystery number, right? We're going to want to call this mystery number x. So anytime we see the word number, we're just going to put x in its place. All right, now that we have that, what we want to find is our equal sign, because every equation has an equal sign. So we'll read through this and we'll look for the equal sign. And it turns out the equal sign is going to be usually the word is or is equal to or the result. And so we read this, when 5 is divided by a number, the result is, there's our equal sign, the result is. So that's going to be the hinge of this problem. Everything to the left is going to be on the left-hand side. Everything to the right of this phrase is going to be on the right-hand side. So now we just go through and start filling things in. When 5 is divided by a number, remember number is x, that's our key word there. When 5 is divided by x, by our number, so we write that as 5 over x. The result is equal sign. Okay, the result is 3 more than 7 divided by twice the number. That's a little more complicated than the first part. 3 more than 7 divided by twice the number. So we're preserving order of operations here. We have 7 divided by twice the number. That's division and multiplication, so they're going to come first in the order we see them. 7 divided by, so that's 7 divided by twice the number. There's the word number again, that's x. And twice the number x would just be 2x. Right, so 7 divided by twice the number. And we're going to have 3 more than this. So we add 3 to it. Okay? And we want to get this 7 over 2x to the other side, to the left-hand side, and then solve for x. First, let's multiply this by 2 over 2 so that we have common denominators. And we're going to have 10 over 2x minus 7 over 2x, because remember I subtracted this and I put it over here. That's where this 7 over 2x comes from. And then equals 3. Okay? Well, 10 minus 7 over 2x is the same as 10 minus 7 all over 2x equals 3. And if we multiply both sides by 2x times 2x, you will have 10 minus 7 equals 6x. Okay, 10 minus 7 is just 3, so 3 equals 6x. And then we divide by 6 on both sides, and we have 1/2 equals x, which is exactly what we should get. And that is exactly the answer here, 1/2. All right, I'll see you in the next problem.